But I was legit coughing up blood yesterday. And not yesterday, this morning. I was coughing up blood this morning, right in the cup. If you look in that cup, there's blood, there's spit. No one with the 100 gifted, appreciate it. I am sick. Because my chest is all clogged. Bro, I feel a lot better. But every time where I do feel tired, no more with another 100 gifted. Every single time when I do feel tired or it's tough and we got 8 more days left, y'all always prove to me why I should keep going.